TV Magic!
Installing a 75-inch commercial display above a public walkway isn't a simple job. Today we're at the Maleny Community Centre installing a heavy commercial monitor for community information displays. First challenge, getting the equipment safely into position. Bye, Steve. Maybe that's where the other guys failed.
Yeah, I think that's Steve driving. Hey, I'm Brent from TV Magic. We've got a very heavy commercial style Philips TV. It weighs close to 60 kilograms. And Steve and I have been tasked with fitting it above a walkway. We actually brought in another company to do the job. They were inexperienced. They rocked up with a couple of 6-foot ladders. They were young and they could afford their big shoes, so they reached out to TV Magic.
So we've decided to upgrade the bracket to something a lot stronger. The one that they've given us is it's cheap, nasty, it's flimsy, it won't take 60 kilos, where this definitely does.
Hey, this is Brent from TV Magic and we're just doing a quick revisit to our commercial wall mounts. After the electricians have been to install all the power, all the media contents on the TV, and we're just checking in.